How to do keyword research step-by-step guide. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Mo Paid Media YouTube channel. My name is Maury, and in this video I want to quickly talk about how to do keyword research, a quick step-by-step guide. If you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is designed to talk all things about paid media on the beginner's level. If you are looking for more resources and just some more tools and templates, be sure to check out my free resource paid media hub. Is down below. And then also, if you're looking to hire somebody to help you with your keyword research, or to help you with your media plans and running Google ads and Facebook ads, feel free to book a free 30-minute discovery call with me. Also, I have my Upwork profile down below. You can see what I specialize in. But let's go ahead and get into the video because I only have 15 minutes to make this. So we have the introduction, why keyword research is your superpower, your digital superpower. Have you ever wondered how some businesses seem to always show up on the top of Google and get endless amounts of traffic to their blogs and attract paying customers through their ads? Here's the secret. It's not luck or just having a huge budget. It's actually the strategic or the strategy behind their keyword research. Okay, so if you're new to digital marketing or you're just starting out in SEO and paid search, the idea of keyword research might sound a bit overwhelming. Or you may be thinking, why can't I just trust my instincts about what people want? While your intuition is a great starting point, successful online marketing is built on data-driven keyword strategies, not just guesswork. Okay, so in this guide we're going to break down keyword research into simple, actionable steps, showing you exactly how to find, analyze, and use keywords to fuel your content, improve your ranking, and stretch your ad budget even further. So what is keyword research and why does it even matter? Keyword research is the process of discovering the actual search terms and questions your ideal customer is typing into Google, Bing, YouTube, and other search engines platforms. Okay, so this is the roadmap that tells you what your audience cares about and how they talk about it, and where the biggest opportunities are for your business. So why is this so important? You got to remember, every day billions of searches are happening, and if you want to stand out, you need to speak your audience language. So by aligning your content and your ads with the right keywords, by aligning your content and your ads with the right keywords, that have enough search volume, clear intent, and measurable or manageable competition, you can drive more qualified traffic to your website. You can also attract the right leads and customers. You can spend less on your ads while getting better results, and you can also outrank and outsmart your competition, even if they have a bigger budget. So keyword research also protects you from wasting money, time on keywords that sound good but aren't actually being searched or are way too competitive to even win. So here are the three pillars to keyword research. The when, where, and why it matters. So first, we have search engine optimization. SEO is about helping your website rank organically in the search result. So we have like smart keyword research that helps you find hidden gems, keywords where you can realistically compete and win. So every piece of content you create, from a landing page to blog to anything, it should be centered around keywords your audience is actively searching for. Next, we have content marketing. So a strong content marketing begins with knowing your audience, knowing what your audience wants to read, watch, and learn. So effective keyword research reveals the question people are asking and the problems they're facing and the language they use. So this helps you create blogs, guides, and videos that will actually answer real needs, build trust, and position you as the go-to expert. Okay, the third pillar that we have is paid campaigns, PPC, and digital ads. So whether you're running Google ads, Bing, social media, social ad campaigns, keywords, they form the backbone of your targeting. So you could be bidding on the wrong keywords, and that can quickly drain your ad budget without giving you any results, while keyword research targets the high intent visitors who are ready to buy, call, or sign up. All right, so I quickly want to go over understanding the three campaign or the three keyword metrics and what you should look for. So the first thing, when you begin keyword researching, you want to evaluate these few things. Okay, this should be your priority. Number one, search volume. How many times per month people are searching for your term? So the higher isn't always better. You want to look for terms that actually fit your goal and your competition level. Number two, competition and difficulty. How hard is it to rank this keyword? So you can use tools that will show you different scores and ratings. So a good one is SEMrush. You can use Google Keyword Planner. All right. Next, we have cost per click. This is for paid search. So this tells you how expensive it is to bid on keywords. And then last but not least, we have search intent, which is what is the searchers actually hoping to do? That's the question. So are they looking for information? Are they ready to buy? All right, now let's get into the steps when you're keyword researching. The first step you want to take is you want to brainstorm core topics and categories. So you want to start by thinking broadly about your business, what products or services you offer, what questions do customers frequently ask. Okay, so here we have the example. If you run a bakery, your core topics might be wedding cakes, birthday cakes, cupcakes, and cookies. So you want to write this down in a document or on a spreadsheet. You want to write all this down, and that way you will begin to build a foundation for your keyword clusters. Step two, you want to expand your keyword tools, and you want to also have real search data. So next, you want to use keyword research tools to go deeper and to understand what keywords you should get. So the first one that we have is Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is right here. So it's free with Google ad accounts. It's great and ideal for basic competition metrics. Next, we have SEMrush, and this is the industry's favorite for deep analysis, competitor research, and keyword difficulty scores. And then next, we have the Moz Keyword Explorer, which is great for finding SERP features, suggestion, and opportunity scores. Step 3. We want to analyze the intent and prioritize smartly. So not all keywords are equal. Not all keywords are equal. We have informational intent, which is searchers want to learn they want to learn things like the perfect how-to guide, in blog posts. Next, we have commercial and transactional intent. That is searchers who want to buy, book, and inquire. This is ideal for service pages, product listing, and landing pages. And then next, we have the navigational intent, which is specific for brand, site. So first you want to focus on keywords that match your business goal. So for example, a bakery wanting more local orders should prioritize commercial keywords like order birthday cake near me over more generic ones like how to make a cake or how to bake a cake. All right, step four, you want to spy on your competitors and discover untapped opportunity. So you want to see which keywords your competitors are ranking for and bidding on, and then you want to find ways to do better. So what can you do better than them? Many keyword tools let you plug into the competitor's URL. So it'll let you look up their competitor's URL for a full list of keywords and ranking pages. So you can also look at gaps. So what are gaps? These are high value keywords that your competitors are missing. So you could create more and more in-depth content or stronger offers. Step 5, you want to build your keyword list and group them strategically. So you want to organize your best keywords into themes and clusters. Each group can become its own group for PPC or content pillars. For example, SEO. Okay, so for example, we have groups of bakeries. So we have wedding cakes. So here, wedding cakes, we have wedding cake prices, wedding cakes near me, wedding cake toppers. For birthday cake, we have custom birthday cakes, order birthday cake online. And then for cookies, we have best cookie chocolate chip, cookie delivery near me. Okay. Also, I want to add grouping keywords helps you write, focus, relevant content, and tightly targeted ads campaigns that drive faster results or drive better results. Step 6, now you want to put your keywords into action. So you want to write blog posts. You want to write blog posts, service page, or product descriptions that are centered around high level keywords. So you want to do like ad launch campaigns that are tightly grouped, intent driven keywords for better quality scores and lower cost per clicks. And you also want to regularly track rankings, clicks, conversions, and adjust your keyword list as trends shift or your business evolves. Okay, next, you want some pro tips. Why I have a couple more minutes. Okay, pro tips. We have negative keywords. So negative keywords could block irrelevant searches from triggering your ads, saving money, and improving your results. We also have local keyword research. So if you serve local area, you can add geo-specific keywords, near me, phrases to your research. You can also do question keywords that are meant to capture featured snippets and voice search traffic by targeting question-based searches. And then we also have the ongoing keyword research, which isn't just one and done. You want to be refining, revisiting your keyword list regularly to find new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. So here are my final thoughts as far as having a good return on investment when you're doing keyword research. If done right, keyword research isn't just this one set it and forget it task. It's strategic investment in your business growth. So by understanding what your audience truly wants, you can create content, ads, and offers that meet them exactly where they're at in their buying journey. So if you're ready to take action, be sure to check out the guide that I have down below and book a free discovery call with me if you're looking to hire somebody to help you with your keyword research. And with that being said, peace.